I saw my squeegee in with my tools and I thought, oh well, shall we just try that, because that just might be a little bit harsh. The beauty of this glue too is, like, oh, this drum cost me 60 bucks. Oh no, 75 or something, I don't know. But I won't use it all, and it keeps, you put the lid on and it's ready to go the next time I do mosaics. The key to mosaic is don't ever let your glue squish through. That's a no-no, because then you've got untold wiping to do and cleaning out. So try not to be a messy worker. Try not to be a messy. Try and keep everything relatively clean. I've got to move over. Okay. I want it to be like that, so I have got to put in a full that's better. Right, I've got to put it in a full, like so. And cut my pieces accordingly for there. But that's all right. Hopefully I can put this up there and it fits in now. Or will it? Yep. So I've only got to cut 1, 2, 3, 4. Always do your cuts last. Get your main bulk up. And then you're able to carry on. when you push against it, you are able to move the whole sheet at the same time. Another box. Yeah, so we're good to go again. This is all good. Where's my squeegee? Looking at my lines. See how I haven't got any glue showing through? And I just saw that touching, so you tap, 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 and you move the whole sheet. That's good. Don't go racing the head. Too fast. Just always keep looking at those lines. That I will take out and probably look at that tomorrow. Or if I got enough time today. When I was listening to the radio before, like it's what is it, halfway through November, and they're advertising bloody Christmas carols already. God, oof. I thought, oh, fair go, mate, fair go, bloody Christmas carols already. Oof. But I suppose we are getting fairly close to Christmas, people. I have had people ring me up a week before Christmas saying, oh, I need both my bathrooms done. I've got people coming from overseas at Christmas and I need my 2 bathrooms. And hello, like we're a week off Christmas sort of thing. Or people leave it to the last minute. Then they panic. No. That's not the way to do it. Same as swimming pools. I used to get rung up to do a swimming pool. Oh, it's Christmas in a week and the children need something to swim in. No. Sorry, can't do. Everyone leaves things to the last minute. Right, we've got to leave a hole. If I lift that one out, I just put a bit of glue there. Oh, that works. Do whatever works. And that definitely works. Chriso, way to go. Leave that one out. Pop 2 in. Nice bit of a feature, I suppose. Then you have your mirror up there. Phew. It's like those round things to hypnotise you. It's all good. I'm liking it. I'm liking it, people. I'm liking it. What I could have done also, people, is left those few tiles off and then go in with my mosaic and put these in on top. And I still could. I'll see. Because the glue is still fresh. It's only yesterday. It's not a week old. There you go, people. We'll see you soon.